In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off MFA on Salesforce. Before we begin, a quick note. Multi-factor authentication is an important security layer that helps protect your organization's data. Only proceed if you understand the risks, have the proper administrative permissions, and your company's policies allow it. To get started, sign in to Salesforce with an account that has system administrator access. From the main interface, open the Setup area. You can do this by selecting the gear icon in the top right and choosing Setup. This takes you to the admin console where all organization-level settings live. In the left-hand sidebar, use the quick find search bar to look for identity verification. This section centralizes controls related to how users prove their identity when logging in. Inside identity verification, you're looking for the option labeled Require Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA, for all direct UI logins to your Salesforce org. This setting dictates whether users must complete an MFA challenge when they sign in directly to Salesforce through the standard login page. If it's enabled, every direct login will prompt for a second factor, such as a code from an authenticator app or a token. To turn it off, simply clear the checkbox next to that option. When you uncheck it, you're telling Salesforce that users who log in directly through the web interface will not be forced to complete MFA. After unchecking, be sure to click Save. The change won't apply until you save it, and your screen should confirm that the update has been applied. A couple of tips to ensure everything works as expected. First, give the system a moment to propagate the change, and then test by logging out and back in, ideally using a non-admin test user. If you're still being prompted for MFA, verify that you adjusted the correct organization-wide setting and that you're logging in directly to Salesforce rather than through a single sign-on provider. Remember, this control affects direct UI logins. If your company uses SSO, the identity provider might still enforce MFA on its side. Also keep in mind that disabling MFA reduces your security posture. If you're doing this for troubleshooting or a temporary exception, set a reminder to re-enable it once your work is complete. Document the change for your audit trail and communicate with your team so everyone knows what to expect. That's it. You've navigated to Setup, opened identity verification, located the MFA requirement for direct UI logins, unchecked the box, and saved your change. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.